Stuffed bell peppers are a wonderful warming comfort food for the wintertime, but they're generally high in fat, which puts a huge burden on the liver. So today I'm going to make vegan stuffed bell peppers with these beautiful red bell peppers. Rather than the traditional way of cutting out the stem and removing that, I like to split them in half and make little boats. I'm going to put these in my broiler until I have just a little bit of charring on the outside. You're going to have to watch it close because everybody's oven is a little bit different. Now when you blacken things, it does have something in it that can affect your sugars and LDL cholesterol. You may want less than this. I had these in my broiler oven for 7 minutes, but again, you always want to watch it really close. I've got some leftover rice that I've made. It's all been seasoned and everything. And I've got about 2 cups worth. I've got 2 cups worth of leftover vegetables. I've got onions, squash, mushrooms, broccoli. You can use whatever. This is one of my favorite marinara sauces because it has olive oil and tomatoes and salt, sea salt, no sugar. So I'm going to do 2 cups of the sauce so that so far everything is pretty much equal parts. And I'm just going to combine this all together. Remember, I've already seasoned things individually. I'm just going to flip over my bell peppers and then stuff them. And again, these are more bell pepper boats than normal stuffed bell peppers, but I like them. So I'm just going to fill all these little bell pepper boats. Normally when I make this, I use my other nut cheese recipe that I've already recorded, but today I'm making a Brazil nut parmesan. I'm going to start with 1/4 cup of Brazil nuts and 1 clove of garlic. I'm adding a very generous 1/4 teaspoon of basil and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now I'm going to go ahead and process this until it's more the consistency of a parmesan. So you can see how beautiful this is. And I'm just going to sprinkle it on top. Yum, yum. And then set your oven to 350. So I just took it out of the oven. It was at 350 for 30 minutes. This is warm, delicious, and low fat. Pair this with a nice green leafy salad and you have a perfect meal. Thanks for watching. Feel free to comment, like, or subscribe. Until next time, love yourself. Eat real food.